Good morning, students. Let us look at more sums on practically maximum and minimum sums. A piece of wire 40 centimeters. That means a long wire you have got with you, which is 40 centimeters, is bent to form a sector of a circle of radius r and angle theta. So this entire 40 is being converted like this. The total area enclosed by this shape, area of this shape is given by A. Express theta in terms of R for the first bit. Now, entire 40 has to become the entire perimeter of the sector. So 40 equal to perimeter of sector. Clear? So now 40 equal to perimeter of sector is nothing but R plus arc length. In radians lesson I told you arc length formula is R theta. Okay, in radians lesson you have learned. Here theta is given in radians. So I need to use arc length formula also in radians. Now I want theta in terms of r. So make theta the subject. So it is 2r plus r theta. So how much will theta become? 40 minus 2r by r. Is it clear? First sum we used and we found h something. Second sum similarity. Over here we are using perimeter. Now look at B1. Show that area equal to this. This is area of sector that he told. This A is for area of the sector. What is the area of sector formula in radians? I told you in radians lesson, area of sector formula is half r square theta. What I should get in that? I don't have theta. That means theta should be removed. From where do I remove? From here. So which is equal to half r square into, in place of theta, place this. 40 minus 2r by r. Now what gets cancelled? R and this gets cancelled. Now multiply by r by 2 to this. I get 20r. Minus 2 will get cancelled. I get r square. So I showed what he is asking me to show. Clear? Just by substituting this in this you will get this. Even if you don't get this, you should be able to do this. No, if you don't get this, you won't get even this one also. Now look at C1. Find the value of R and stationary value of A. To get the stationary value for A means dA by dr equal to 0. A equal to this much, so dA I wrote. Other side, which letter do I have? R. So dr should be equal to 0. If you can do it directly, well and good, or else replace A by y and R by x. How much will it become? Y equal to 20x minus x square. So now dy by dx equal to 0. Stationary value you need. So it is 20 minus 2x equal to 0. So x value you get to be 10. X is nothing but r. So r is 10. But they are asking me the value of a. So where will I put this r to get a? I need to place it here. So my a value equal to 20 into 100, 20 into 10 minus 10 square. 200 minus 100 is 100. So my area is 100. Clear till here? Yeah, now look at D1. Determine the nature. To determine the nature, I need second derivative. So d square y by dx square equal to, differentiate it one more time. This becomes 0 minus 2x is minus 2. Less than 0, so its nature is maximum. Am I clear with this sum? I used perimeter, substituted, got what he is asking me to show, then finally replacing and getting in terms of x and y, such that it becomes easier. And then finally for deciding the nature you need double derivative, which I did. Let us look at next sum. The diagram shows a rectangular enclosure for keeping animals. There is a fence on three sides of enclosure. and a wall on the fourth side. Assume it to be the wall. The total length of the fence is 50. That means the three sides together is 50. That means this is y, this is also y. So it is nothing but 2y plus x equal to 50. Is it clear? Next, and enclosed area enclosed is A. This area enclosed is given by A. Now express y in terms of x. We already got this. He gave 50 to be the perimeter of other three sides. Other three sides I got by y plus x equal to 50. Now I need to make y the subject, means 50 minus x by 2 is my first bit. Clear? Now look at B. Show that area equal to this much. Normally, what is the formula for area? What is the shape of it? Rectangle. So its area will be x into y. Here I don't have y. That means y should be eliminated. So in place of y, what will I put? I'll bring it from the first bit, which is 50 minus x by 2. So now it becomes half x into 50 minus x. How he has left it, we also need to leave it like that, because that is what we need to show. Am I clear? Even if you multiply, you will get, but here he stopped here itself, so we are also stopping it over there. Now look at C1. Find the maximum possible area and the value of x. Maximum possible area means the stationary point. So that means dA by dx should be equal to 0, since stationary point. Now can I differentiate it directly? No, first I need to multiply, then I can differentiate. So this becomes 25x minus x square by 2. I couldn't differentiate this, so I multiplied. Now I can differentiate. dA by dx equal to 25x will be 25 and minus 1 by 2 into 2x equal to 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, x equal to 25. Are we clear? But I need maximum possible area. So where will I put this x equal to 25 to get A? I'll put it over here. So A equal to half 25 into 50 minus 25 is 25. So it is 25 into 25, 625 by 2. That will become 312.5. So this is my area. Is the sum clear? This is how we need to do.